Struggling with hair fall or thinning hair? Want a simple, natural remedy that actually works? In today's video, discover how onion juice can transform your hair, making it stronger, longer, and healthier in just a few weeks. Onion juice is rich in sulfur, which boosts collagen production and stimulates hair follicles. It improves blood circulation in the scalp, reduces breakage, and even helps fight dandruff due to its antibacterial properties. Multiple studies and anecdotal evidence support onion juice as a natural remedy for hair growth. Here's how you can make onion juice at home. Take 1 to 2 medium-sized onions. Peel and chop them into small pieces. Blend until smooth. Use a fine strainer or cheesecloth to extract the juice. You can also mix in a few drops of essential oils like rosemary or tea tree to reduce the strong smell. Apply the onion juice directly to your scalp using a cotton pad or your fingertips. Gently massage in circular motions to increase absorption. Leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes, then wash with a mild shampoo. For best results, do this 2 to 3 times a week. Many users report visible improvement in hair texture and growth within 4 weeks. However, consistency is key. Make sure to patch test first to avoid any irritation. If you stick to this routine, you could start seeing longer, thicker hair without any chemicals or expensive products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty remedies. Comment below if you've ever tried onion juice and what your results were. Your hair transformation starts today.